Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. And today what you're going to do for your craft is make something for somebody special. So it could be a grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, sister, brother, maybe your cat or your dog. So what you're going to get in your craft bags is you're going to get a sheet of paper, and it's red, or it could be dark pink. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a card. So in your craft bags also are all these hearts. We've got lips. We've got some stickers. Oh, I should show you this one. Is that one? More hearts and more kisses and little hearts. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the stickers and put wherever you want on it. So this is an imagination craft for you guys this week. So it's going to be what you would like to make your card like. So you can use the stickers that are the ones that we give you, or you don't have to. You can draw your own picture. And on February 14th is Valentine's Day. But do you know what? People like getting cards whatever time of year, and it doesn't have to be a special occasion to get somebody a card, okay? So we would love to see your cards when you're done, and you can send them to the Mornville Library, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.